Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off the Do Not Disturb option in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To turn off Do Not Disturb mode, we have to go to the settings. Then we're looking for notifications menu right here and Do Not Disturb here. To turn it off, we uncheck this box and now our mode is turned off. We can do it a little bit faster by accessing by swiping from the top, and here in this menu should be our Do Not Disturb right here. Tap it once and now it's off. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.